So we had to pump that tire up, right, for the boat. I got the damn thing off. Anyway, so took the tire off. Appears there's a leak. Here, you actually can see down to the belt. My plan is to not get a new tire. We'll see. All right, got basically all the air out. There's probably only like 5 psi in there. Now the tire's a little bit more pliable and I can glue it back together. Okay, so the first one wasn't actually enough, and I was holding it for a while, so I had to use a clamp here to glue this. So I did a second bubble of covering the compound. What is it called? The glue. Yeah, the glue. So it's a little sticky, but I think it's actually going to hold better than it did before. So my theory behind gluing the tire, because really that doesn't seem very safe, especially a gash on the side. But so we go boating for about 4 hours, right? And you come back and the tire's flat. So, you know, maybe it only went flat in like 3 hours, a little bit shorter. So I can just stop it from leaking as much. At least it only gets flat when I get home. Let's see. Didn't work. Let's try something else. I'm gonna use one of these dirty old things. Just jam it in the hole, probably burn the edge off. So now that I got it all coated in, what is this shit called? Yeah, rubbing solution for all rubber repairs. I'll just kind of jam it in that hole there. Too far. Ooh, I think I might have tore the tire. That doesn't look good. Try number 2. Slow. Okay, there. Maybe there. And then. Nice. This should work. Definitely looks like it's gonna work. And the verdict of the repair job looks like it's been fixed. Sweet.